this cold December day, we are on our merry way.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and welcome to my channel, BellsRides. I'm Belle. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today's episode is pick number 6 for the 12 stocking stuffer ideas. Today's pick is the hub lock with a built-in alarm.
I am piloting my sleigh.
The alarm is ear-piercing and it's only $25.99 on Amazon. So it's pretty cool. So it locks onto your disc brake so your wheel can't spin. Also, once the bike moves a certain amount, the alarm goes off and it is loud. It comes with 2 keys. So for instance, if you lock your bike up but your husband needs to move it for you or whatever, you have a second key to give to him. You can go move it, put it back, we're good to go. So there you go. That's my 6th pick for 12 Bells of Christmas. Until next time, enjoy the ride.